Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp22 Excel Chapter 2 HOE Townsend Mortgage Company. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assignment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Engage, MyLab, IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assignment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment Exp22 Excel Chapter 2 HOE Townsend Mortgage Company. Here is a project description. You can also read it out carefully for better understanding of this assignment. Here is a workbook. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is start Excel downloader and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 2 HOE Loans. Reader has automatically added to your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download this Excel workbook from MyLab IT dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyLab IT dashboard. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is you would like to create a formula to calculate the amount financed for each loan. Enter a formula in cell D8 to calculate the amount financed for the first mortgage once completed. Copy the formula down completing the column D. In this question, you will have to calculate the amount financed for the first mortgage. You will go to the cell D8 and enter a formula. You will go to the cell D8, this one D8, and write a formula. B8 minus C8. Simply you will have to drag and down to the last of this cell. Drag this formula down to the last range. Amount financed are calculated. Question number 2 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is you would like to create a formula to calculate the monthly interest rate per period for each loan. Enter a formula in cell F6 to calculate the monthly interest rate for the first loan. Add the appropriate absolute cell reference for the cell B5 and then use the fill handle. Copy the formula down completing column F. First you will go to the cell and write a formula equals to, we have then write a formula E8 divided by E8 are representing mortgage rate, then press OK. Rate per period are calculated now. Then absolute cell reference B5, in this B5 set as absolute cell reference, this one. The rate per period are calculated now. Simply you will have to drag this formula down to the last of the range. As you can see that the rate per period are calculated in these cells. Then move to the instruction file. Question number 3 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is you would like to calculate the total number of payment periods for each loan. To complete the task, you will use a mixed cell reference as an alternative to an absolute cell reference. Enter a formula in cell HA to calculate the total number of payment periods per loan. Use an appropriate mixed cell reference for cell B5 and then use the fill handle copy the formula down completing the column H. First you will have to write a formula in cell HA to calculate the total number of payment period per loan. If you feel any trouble with your assignment, feel free to reach out me. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. Now we will move to the workbook and write a formula in the PMT period equals to G8 multiply with G8 are representing the years or multiply with B5 as a absolute cell reference. B5 are representing PMTs per year. Then hit enter. Then copy this formula down to the completing column A. Simply you will have to drag this formula down to the last of the range. As you can see that PMT of periods are calculated in these cells. Question number 4 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is you would like to calculate the total value of the homes being financed. Use auto sum in cell B16 to calculate the total. In the house cost, you will have to write a formula. Basically, in this question, you will have to calculate the total value of all homes sold. B16, we will write a function sum PA to B12. Then hit enter. House cost are calculated in this cell. Question number 5 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is you would like to calculate the average value of all homes being purchased. Use auto sum in cell B17 to calculate the average value of all homes being purchased. In this question, you will have to calculate the average value for all homes that are being purchased. You will go to the cell B17 to calculate the average. Move to the workbook, then go to the B17. Down payment are calculated now. Now we will have to calculate the amount financed total equals to sum, then write give a range. Question number 7 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 8. You would like to display the cost of the least expensive home. Enter a function in cell B19 to display the value of the least expensive home financed. You will go to the cell B19 and enter a function. Question number 8 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 9. Question number 9 is you would like to display the value of the most expensive home financed. Enter a function in cell B20 to display the most expensive home financed. Question number 9 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 10. Question number 10 is you would like to determine the total number of homes financed. Enter a function in cell B21 to count the total number of homes being financed based on the values column B. In the lowest, you will have write a formula minimum, and then this. We have now completed 10 questions of this assignment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignment, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. And also I have handled online courses, MyLab IT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.